the government led by the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has launched SWAYAMPURNA GOA program in a mission mode. The mission is to lay maximum emphasis on ensuring that the beneficiary of each and every beneficiary-oriented scheme reaches to the last person at his or her door. Sarkar Tumchedari program. Second, all camps and melawas under SWAYAMPURNA 1.0 program. And third is the launching of Know Your Scheme platform. More than altogether 24,667 beneficiaries were enrolled in one of the other beneficiaries-oriented scheme of the Goa government. This includes around 2157 Divyang persons. They were identified during SWAYAMPURNA Goa 1.0 melawas and camps, and they were provided with the aids like smart cane, wheelchair, etc. There were 10,667 workers in a record time were enrolled under E-Shram scheme. The SWAYAMPURNA Goa 2.0 program now was launched on 9th April 2022, and since then theme-based webinar programs are conducted every month. The Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant desired to have a seminar program, live interaction on, I again underline, career guidance on 18th June 2022 at 11 a.m.